Alright, so Magic Bullet blender is not working. Well, actually working, but not spinning. The blade not spinning. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so we have this Magic Bullet blender, right? The problem with this, when I plug it on, the motor is coming on, right? But the blade is not spinning. So I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so the blade in this is not spinning, right? Right, so you see it working, the plastic gear wheel working, right? So the problem with this now is that this gear wheel and this one, the both of them, it wear down. So it wear down and not making proper contact for the blade to turn, right? So in a case like this, what you have to do, you have to change it. So you need a pair of this, right? So this, the plastic one is for inside here, and the rubber one is for the blade. Right, so if you watch carefully, you can see it wear down. So I will show you how to remove it. Alright, so first thing, you make sure to unplug. Now sometimes, right, now it has 4 screws in the back here to remove, but sometimes remove this cap to get the screws. Now sometimes you can just take a flathead screwdriver and stick it in this nut right here and turn, right, and turn the gear wheel, but this is not working, right? The screwdriver not getting inside. So in other words, you have to remove the cover, the back cover. It has 4 screws, remove it. Remove the cover. Right, so the cover removed. The next step now is to put the flathead screwdriver in this nut right here. See a cutaway? Put in this cutaway right here, and you turn this gear wheel, right? Now you turn this gear wheel clockwise, right? So everything here is reverse threading, right? So this gear wheel is a reverse threading. Also this is a reverse threading, right? So you hold this screwdriver and you get this pliers. You hold one end and you turn. Right, so you turn reverse threading. Okay, so it's slacking, right? Okay, so you come off, right? So now you take the new one. As you can see the difference, this one wear down. You see all this plastic here? All this plastic, it wear down. Right, so the new one, you can see plastic. And this black stuff inside here, that's the rubber from the from this. from this gear. Alright, so you put it on this on top, and the tighten this is counterclockwise. So you turn this to the left. Alright, turn it to the left. Then you use the screwdriver. And turn it to the left until it tightens. So I'll test it out and show you. Now this is one gear wheel. Alright, so this is one gear wheel, so this should be able to turn until I change the other one. Just now I will change it. So that's showing you that you get a little contact. Alright, so you see it. Alright, so that is one of it. Now this part, you need a piece of cloth to put over the blade. The blades are very sharp to hold it. And then you take your pliers and you turn clockwise. Now with our washer, you don't lose the washer, make sure it's secure. Alright, so this is the bad one, as you can see. It wear down, and this is the new one. So to tighten this, you have to counterclockwise to tighten this. You hold the blade again and it's tighten. Alright, so there you have it. So this is a new one, as you can see the difference. And this is the old one. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to place the gear wheel on a Magic Bullet blender and save you some money by doing it for yourself. And you will get the parts online. I'll put the description and the link where to find the part, so you can always order it. Okay, I'll put back the back cover in place. It's very easy. the baggy's cap, and that's about it. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.